Drugs? You want Sciencemancy on drugs? Well, this probably isn't quite what you meant, but I thought it was fascinating. From the pipeline of being able to figure out the human genome and analyze it, how many drugs do you think have come out of that since we've been able to learn DNA like that? And the thing that even surprised me more, in the last 5 years, how many drugs do you think were approved in the US? Because that was a number that surprised me. So here are the facts from this article in Nature. Sorry about the noise of the microwave. I'm having cheap pizza because I'm home alone. So far, we've discovered 4,000 rare monogenic diseases, as in diseases that come from one single genetic defect. These tend to run in families. And then, of course, there's hundreds of thousands of associations that are complex for polygenic diseases that have lots of little contributors. And so, over the past 25 years or so, we've been learning genes and analyzing this. And so the first number is, in the past 5 years, the number of new drugs is 329 new drugs. And I don't know about you, I was surprised by how low that is. I know it's really hard to get drugs approved in the US or anywhere else, but 329 new drugs in 5 years, and that cost $571 billion, according to the calculations. So, out of those 329 new drugs in the last 5 years, turns out 40 of them, or this is total, 40 new drugs have come from these genetic observations. 36 of these drugs are for very rare conditions, and then 4 are actually approved for common conditions. So, out of all of this genetic work out of the last 25 years, we now have 40 drugs total. The vast majority of fields that this focused on, or therapeutic areas, was metabolics. So how your body controls energy and processes food and things like that. Then some in immunology, neuromuscular, respiratory, skeletal, and less and less. And most of these drugs were designed to treat loss of function or gain of function. And that's where you have a weird gene that means you don't produce something that you should, or you make way too much of it, or there's no control for it. And so you use this drug to right size the level of whatever it is you're talking about. So, and the last piece, fact I thought was cool, that the median time from the discovery of a genetic variant until an approved drug is on the market is 25 years. So it's a testament to all of the work it takes to turn this genetic knowledge into drugs that are out there helping people right now.